All the back-to-backers are going to be right here. How are you? That lets everybody know we're concierge and we get the elevated service. Here we are, back on the ship. Melissa here bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is the Disney Adventure. We are doing a back-to-back here on the Disney Adventure. Today is our disembarkation day, and then we are getting right back on and re-embarking the ship today. How exciting. So I'm gonna show you the process. I have my letter here. We're meeting in the D Lounge right now by 9:30, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like to get off the ship and then get back on the ship for our back-to-back. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe, click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. Now I can't wait to get off, back on, and this time we have the Royal Suite. So fun! We found the D Lounge. Let's go in and see what we need to do next. So all the back-to-backers are going to be right here, and here we are. We're all waiting comfortably in this room. So yeah, that's going to be awesome. Here's my back-to-back letter. So we do have a couple of options here. It says we can get off and go into Singapore and then come back. And if we do that, we get off at 9:30 a.m., deck 7 forward, and then we have to be back on the ship by 2. So if you wanted to go and enjoy Singapore and come back, you could do that. Also, we're getting right back on the ship, so we're here at D Lounge by 9:30 a.m. and then we're just going to be escorted through customs and then come back on. Now, very importantly, we did have to pack our bags, and then our stateroom steward is going to move those for us from our one-bedroom concierge up to 18 for our Royal Suite. So we just packed everything and they will graciously move it for us, which I love. And I usually recommend my guests stay in the same stateroom, but in this case, we wanted to see all the Disney Adventure staterooms that we could. So that's why I booked 2 separate rooms. Now, we also have a QR code on here, and most importantly, let me show you our little tickets. These tickets are golden. So this is what we will hand to our cast member when we get back on the ship after customs, and this is what lets Disney Cruise Line know that you're a back-to-backer. So we'll be handing that, and I'll show you the process in just a little bit. So let's sit back and relax in the D Lounge and see what is going to be happening as we disembark the ship and get back on board. Okay, we're making announcements. Hopefully we'll get off soon. Hi, thank you, thank you. Here we go. So we got here at 9:30, it's 10 o'clock, so we're headed to go through customs right now, and it's only been, we only waited 30 minutes, so that's not bad at all. All right.
Well, I appreciate it. You kind of don't have to get up, get out so quickly.
Yeah, you met at 9:30 a.m.
Yeah,
so
we
that's
were out of the room by 9:15.
Yeah,
whatever.
got to sleep a little late.
Everybody else is already
Yep.
out the ship.
Okay, here's our sign. You need to have your Singapore SG arrival card. Okay, oh, we're gonna go right through here and show our key to the world card. All right. Hi, sir. Key to the world card. Thank you. Oh, we're getting off with other guests too. Check it out. So now we're going down the gangway, and we're not really following anybody like we do in the States. So we're just walking on our own, and hopefully we'll have a cast member down here. Okay, welcome to Singapore. Very nice. Gonna go through immigration here. Okay, welcome to Singapore. So we scanned our passports in immigration. It didn't take long at all. And now we're going down the escalators to re-check in with Disney. No problem. And I do see a Disney Cruise Line sign that we're supposed to be following down there. So there we are being escorted. There she goes. All right, perfect. Oh, lovely. And she's waiting for us now. Very good. Now here's the luggage area. So as you notice, there's no luggage. Everybody's already gone. And here's the nice lady. Thank you. Thank you. And we're gonna go this way. Two signs there. Good morning. And now we're going, nothing to declare through customs. I need to put my camera up. Here we go. We just scanned our bags, or scanned all of our things, and now we are going to follow this sign.
What's that?
And we're just here in the pier check-in area. Nice. Other guests that are boarding the ship have arrived, and we are just hanging out until the other guests get through. We're going up the escalator now. All the back-to-backers are in a line here, and we're going up the elevator for our next step. Okay, and now we're back in the port check-in. So this is where we're going, and I see the concierge sign. Hello, how are you? So we are concierge, and we're going this way. All right, excellent, excellent, excellent. Here we go. Hi, what do you need to see, ma'am?
Your stateroom number, please.
Oh, my stateroom number. So we're in the Royal Suite.
18206 maybe?
18206.
Try that one.
206. Okay.
Giles,
Jeffrey,
that's us.
Okay, welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay, so after the security, you can turn right for your check-in.
Okay, so
Enjoy your
security and then turn right. Okay, back to back goes this way. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Why good?
Yes. Oh, give you 5. All right. Very good. Okay, we're still following this sign here for back to back. Okay. Perfect. We're going to go check in again. Pearl, Platinum, check in. Hello. Hi, how are you? We're Pearl. Pearl Concierge. Okay, we'll go over here. Perfect. Thank you. Good morning. How are you? So we're going to recheck in. Go ahead, sir. No problem. Okay, thank you. Ooh, number 8. That's my favorite number. Hello. We're so Thank you. Let's do this again.
Yes.
Very
May
nice.
I just take a look at your port arrival form?
Yes, ma'am, you may. And I have my 2 little tickets if you need those.
Ah, sure. You can keep this for your boarding later. Do you
Okay.
happen to know your stateroom, please?
Yes, stateroom.
18206.
18206.
Royal Suite.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Jeffrey
Me.
and Miss Melissa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me just collect your passport.
Okay, we're going to look at our passports now. And then this is the normal check-in. So everybody that's doing a back-to-back is going to their castaway, either silver, gold, platinum, or pearl. I don't see a concierge, but that's okay. We're over here on the pearl.
Have a questionnaire
Okay.
for all Disney guests.
So we're going to do a health questionnaire again.
Everything is perfect. Just take a note and
Okay.
check the box below on behalf of
So health questionnaire again, no problem.
Mr. Jeffrey. I'll just take a new photo of you.
Okay, they're redoing the photos also. Wow, okay. So, fun fact, our check-in never got approved before we got here, so maybe that's why we're having to redo the photos. But no worries, if it's not approved, we just do it here at the port.
Easy.
So, yeah, easy peasy. We're going over the emergency contact, so I think,
Mother-in-law.
yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, because our we didn't get cleared to board before we got here, even though I did my check-in. We're just doing it all now, which is, just a little bit of extra time, but no problem at all, because we're getting back on the adventure.
I don't think they like my photo.
Oh, is that what it is?
I don't know.
Okay, our concierge stickers. Yay! Thank you. My favorite. Here's our sticker. Thank you. All right, I'm going to put it on here. That lets everybody know we're concierge and we get the elevated service. Yay! Perfect. Thank you, ma'am, so much.
Thank you.
Navigator app already.
Yes, we do.
Have a magical vacation again.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you again.
Yes,
Appreciate it.
absolutely.
Bye-bye.
Bye. With the back-to-back, just like in the States, you get on earlier with back-to-back, even before concierge, so we're going to do that. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We're going to go around here. Hello. Hi. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Hi, where does back-to-back wait? Right here? Okay. Perfect. Hi, sir. We're back-to-back. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to keep saying back-to-back so they don't send me to the concierge lounge. Although I love the concierge lounge. So here's the beautiful port here in Marina Bay, Singapore. Love this. So amazing. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Back to back this way?
Yes, please. May I have a yellow card?
Oh, the yellow card, honey. So this is where we give our card. Perfect. Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, great. So back to back seating area is here. Very nice. Love it. And we'll sit here and wait until we are called. Beside our passports, we also got our boarding QR code. So we're going to keep those for safekeeping when we embark the ship. And what time is it now? So it's 10:25 now, so it's been about an hour. That's not bad. And we're waiting in the port now to board, so we'll be the first to board. Yeah. Okay, it's 11:12 and we are boarding first with back to back.
Welcome back.
Hello, thank you, ma'am.
Morning.
Thank you. Here we go. Here we go. So exciting. So we met at 9:30 and then it's 11:11, so an hour and a half, not too bad. I'm excited to get back on the ship. Hello, here we go. We don't need to take our photo this time, so we're just gonna show our QR code and get right on. Yay! Oh, and this, I gotta turn it off. All right, we are boarding. Gonna go back on the gangway and get on the ship, to the ship. And there's the adventure, woohoo! We just noticed they didn't take our key to the world card this time. On my last back-to-back, they took the key to the world cards and we had to get them back. So I'm happy about that. I like collecting my key to the world cards. Thank you, here we go. Here we go, here we go. We are getting ready. Boarding the ship again, boarding the ship again. Yay! 3 nights is just not enough. So now we're doing 4 nights in the Royal Suite. Yay! Here we go. We're getting on the ship. Hi, sir. How are you? There's my QR code. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So we had to show our QR code, and now, honey, we're on the adventure. Woohoo! Let's go. Let's go. We're on the ship.
我直接把那个电话给关。
All right, let's do this. We're boarding the ship. Yay! Here we go. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. We will. Here we are, back on the ship. Awesome, 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 awesome. Yay! Disney adventure. We're back on the ship, ready for our next adventure. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Now, did you find out about Melissa VIP Magic after you booked your Disney cruise? No worries. I can still help. If you booked within 30 days, you have not made your final payment, and you book directly with Disney, email me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. I can transfer your existing reservation under my care. And fun fact, we just started a Disney Cruise Line Facebook page. Come and chat and be a part of our community. You can search for us at Disney Cruise Line Concierge VIP Insiders. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye! Bon voyage!